It's good. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning. Good early afternoon. It's 12:04 from Johannesburg, South Africa. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 21,304. We're up about 2.6 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 404 billion. 24-hour volume, 31.56 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25. Just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we talked about yesterday, if we broke this high, then we're looking at a larger wave 5, which is what we're seeing right now. So a couple ways to measure your wave 5. You can take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3, down to the bottom of the corrective wave 4, and you're looking for a 0.618 extension. So currently that's coming in at 21.7K. For the peak of the wave 5, or you can take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top of wave 1 and then extend it out to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a 100% extension as a minimum target, and that's coming in at about 21.6K, well, almost 21.7, basically the exact same level. So the wave 5 here could end at any time. And if we do see that pullback, then we are looking to come down in this yellow box here in between the 0.382 to 0.786, in between about 18.32 and about 19.9K for a wave 2 correction, and look for that larger wave 3 up here. I'm just going to quickly remove these lines. So we'll see if we see that pullback. If we continue to push up here, then of course we have to look at an extended wave 5. I've also noticed it looks like we may put a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. So here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and potentially if we come down for that wave 2 correction, you're going to see a beautiful right shoulder. And then what you can do is take a trend line. Oh, sorry guys, yeah, trend line. You can measure your neckline and then take your trend line from the bottom of the pattern all the way up to the top of the neckline, pull it out to the point of breakout, and that could take you all the way up to about 26K for BTC. So do look for that, guys. If you see a correction here, look for that right shoulder to form, and that could lead to a large breakout back up to 25K. As I've been mentioning here on the channel, I do think we're going to see a major bull trap. Let me just put this one on the daily. Actually, let's switch over to my Bitfinex chart here. Yeah, perfect. So I do think we're going to see that major, we're going to see a major bull trap where we push up to 25 to 28K. Everyone starts going long, and the whales push the price right back down. I don't think there's any chance that the bear market is over and we're going to see a V-shaped recovery. As I mentioned, I think your best case scenario is to hold these lows. Looking at the economy right now in the stock market, I do think Bitcoin may come lower here and lose 17K and come down to that 11 to about 13K price target that we've been looking at here on the channel, which lines up with major level of support here for BTC. But of course, anything can happen. But in my opinion, best case scenario, we come up, bull trap, come back down and hold these lows. But if we lose these lows, then I am targeting in between 11 to 13K. But we talked about most of that yesterday. I do think we're still going through a massive phase of accumulation here, waiting for that third demand wave and that massive alt season. We're lower than we've ever been on the weekly RSI, so I do think a bounce is coming soon, quite potentially already starting here. And we have a nice bullish divergence on the money flow. We created a lower low on the weekly, higher low on the money flow here. So in the short term, just look for a pullback into this yellow box in between about 18.4 and about 19.8. If we see a bounce from that level, then we're looking at a wave 2 pullback, and we're going to do a little something like this. This is your beautiful wave 1. I'm going to change these real quick. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, which could potentially take you up. Let's change this to green. Okay, potentially take you up to that 26 to 28K price target. Now the way to invalidate that is for us to come down and lose these lows at 17K, and then we'd have to be looking at a larger wave 5, but I don't think that's the likely scenario. I think that bull trap is coming. We're basically just waiting for that wave 2 pullback, looking for our wave 3, wave 4, and of course that final wave 5 to take you up to that 26 to 28K price target. If we continue to push up here, then we have to look at an extended wave 5. But as I just showed you with our trend-based fib extension, The target we're looking at, so 0.618, about 21.8K. Now, of course, it can get overextended, but normally your target is the 0.618. So we'll see what happens here if we get rejected off that level, put in that wave 2 correction, and be looking for our wave 3 up here for BTC. And if we put in that wave 2, that's when you're going to see that beautiful inverse head and shoulders that I was just showing you guys here on Bybit, and we'll pop it back open to the 4-hour time frame. So if you see us put in that wave 2, we put in that beautiful right shoulder, that could lead to a large breakout all the way up to about 26K. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,900 members. I also post my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. Let me open it up. Made some juicy profits trading ADA here, and just locked in some more profits on Matic. Just made profits on Sol as well with our spot trading. We also have buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions, and over 1,900 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.